In this video, we will show you how to install True Tone on iPhone X LCD. To install True Tone, we need to have JCID's programming device, through which we can connect to a phone. Through which we can take its programming from a phone and install it in a new LCD. As we show you in this video, there is a similar ID programming device that we are using to take the LCD data from the phone and install it in a new LCD. We will install it inside the touch strip, on the back side of the LCD, which we program from the phone and stored in the device. We will then reinstall the LCD in which we programmed the phone. After reconnecting the LCD to the phone, we will check its display and brightness. We will select the option, and while pressing and holding, we will see that the programming that we installed inside the LCD has completed the operation, and we have succeeded. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe this channel and press bell icon.